Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video I will explain how to file an SSS disability claim online. Filing your claim through the My SSS portal offers great convenience, allowing you to complete the process from anywhere. We will go through each step, ensuring you understand how to prepare your documents and navigate the online system efficiently. This guide aims to make your application straightforward and stress-free, saving you time and effort. Before starting, ensure you have a registered My SSS account and a disbursement account, like a UMID card enrolled as an ATM. You will need a medical certificate from your attending physician, issued within the last 6 months. Also, prepare supporting medical records such as hospital abstracts or laboratory results. For a monthly pension, you generally need at least 36 monthly contributions, fewer than 36, but at least 10 contributions may qualify you for a lump sum benefit. Once logged into your My SSS account, click on the Benefits tab and then select Apply for Disability Claim. Carefully read all important reminders before proceeding. You will then supply all required information in the online form. Make sure to upload clear and readable supporting documents. Each file should not exceed 5 megabytes. Double-check all entries for accuracy to avoid any delays in processing your claim. After filling out all details and uploading documents, tick the certification box and click I certify and submit. A transaction number will be displayed. Please save this for your records. A notification about your submission will also be sent to your registered email address. All claims undergo medical evaluation, and you might be required to report for a physical examination within 20 days of email notification. The processing typically takes 30 to 60 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.